Hello to the YouTube viewers and to the meeting group. I will test the variable resistor with a 500 ohm. So on the circuit I adjusted my variable resistor to 500 ohm. The circuit is powered and I can start the whole process. Okay, this is a voltmeter which showing the voltage of my start battery. This this amperage meter showing the amperage of my start battery, the current of my start battery. This voltmeter showing the voltage of the charging battery. Okay. And I test my variable resistor with 500 ohm. Okay, I use amperage of my start battery 0.11 amperes, and you see the wheel spins continuously. Okay, now I stop it and we will look to the amperage of my charging battery. I disconnect the circuit, disconnect my amperage meter. Amperage meter going to second, moment please. Okay, that should be disconnected. Yes, disconnected. This process of disconnection takes a little bit time, but this should do it. This should do it. Okay. I safely remove my amperage meter and connect to the charging battery, to the plus of the charging battery. Takes a little bit time. Alright, I connected it. Hope you can see. Yes, you can see it. So I connected my amperage meter to the plus of the charging battery. To this, I connected my amperage meter to this line. Okay. Now I start. I will check it once again. Okay, connection is good. I power my system. Circuit power is on, and I will move the wheel. Okay, you see the amperage of my charging battery. I mean, here you see the amperage of my charging battery. It's 0.0334. It's changing due the whole time. So the point of the test which I am showing you is to find out at which resistance I have most largest amperage to my charging battery. So the current from my whole circuit should be greater than 0.03. At the best it should be 0.6. So, but you see the wheel spins continuously. It's a pity that I do not have digital or analog oscillograph, because I would. Many people show you this on the oscillograph. They are showing you this charge, the impulse, how the impulse is looking. I mean the wave of this impulse, how it's looking. And I don't have this device, but it's currently I don't think it's needed, because my system runs almost like I wanted. And the only last thing which I should do is adjusting the resistance. So it runs at 500 ohm resistance. My variable resistor adjusted to the 500 ohm resistance, and in this following step I have 0.03 amperage current which going to my charging battery. So here you go, the amperage of my charging battery, and work in progress. And that's, I think that's all. Very important thing to know how to build the system. So I want to repeat following thing. Just build the system like Houdini says in the circuitry, and that should do it. I think most important thing to know, all magnets on my wheel are pointed with the north pole to the coil core. The coil core itself has a Lincoln R16 rod. It's a rod with a ferrite compounds. So just do it, just build like Houdini says, and join the Yahoo Houdini group. You will learn a lot of things, and I wish you all the best. Goodbye.